Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make drumsticks in the oven. So we're going to use soya, honey, garlic, marinade. So I got the drumsticks. So I'm going to replace. Might go that way. So I got I'll show you. So I'm using 2 small drumsticks and 2 big ones. So we're going to put the marinade with the chicken. And hopefully open. Hey, I opened it. Wow. I achieved something. Had to get more of that. Actually, I might bring up that sauce too. That hot. Make it.
Can you see that?
It's over there.
Well, there.
There's 2 of them on the blade floor.
There. Where's
One,
the other one?
there's the purple one on that blade floor.
There.
Oh my! Right in front of you.
Oh, there.
So we're going to put the chicken in and let it cook. Yeah, but because we're on gas. So the rice is in here. Oh, it's boiling. Give it a so it'll click into warm. So it'll tell you when it's done or not. So I'm going to check on the chicken. Ouch! Don't do that. I'm going to check on it. I'm just going to check on it. I'm going to... Yeah. I think that's cooked. Let's see. Thank you for watching how to make drumsticks in the oven with rice. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.